if you're going to learn how to cook with me, one thing you're going to realize is I use breadcrumbs in a lot of my recipes. Now, you can just use the plain breadcrumbs that come in the container, or you can jazz it up like I have to add some extra flavor. I pre-make this in one of my food storage containers. That way, when I make any meals that require the breadcrumbs, they're already ready to go. You're going to add the plain breadcrumbs into your container. Then you're going to add a half a cup of nutritional yeast. Garlic, you want to add 4 tablespoons of garlic powder and 4 tablespoons of onion powder. So now you're going to want to put your lid on the container, and this is very important. Make sure it is on securely. I learned that the hard way. And then you're just going to shake it, baby. Shake, shake, shake. Get into it. Come on, have some fun with it. Shake it up. And then you're done. That's it. That's all you had to do. They look like this when you're done. And you can just store them in the container and use them for any meals you need. So now that we've learned how to make breadcrumbs, now we need to learn how to use them. So I'm going to link below some of the recipes I've already made using the breadcrumbs. And subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn more plant-based recipes using the breadcrumbs and more. I hope you try them, I hope you like them, and I hope you come back to learn more things with me as I grow. Have a great day.